Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the phone is charged and on a stable network. That avoids interruptions while changing security data. Next, confirm the exact lock type you currently use: PIN, password, or pattern, because you must authenticate before changing it. Now open Settings and go directly to Password and Security or Screen Lock. Names vary by Vivo model. Once there, look for Change Password, Screen Lock, or Manage Locks. Selecting that initiates the secure change flow you need. You will be prompted to authenticate with your existing lock. Enter your current PIN, password, or pattern to prove it's you. After successful authentication, choose whether to keep the same lock type or switch to a stronger option like a password versus a PIN. When entering the new lock, type a memorable yet complex password, 8 or more characters with letters, numbers, and a symbol, then confirm it by retyping. Make sure to read any on-screen rules about minimum length or required character. After confirming the new password, tap Save or Confirm and lock the screen to test unlocking right away. This verifies the change worked. Once done, consider adding fingerprint or face unlock as a biometric backup so you don't rely solely on typing. If something goes wrong and you're locked out, use your linked Google or Vivo account recovery flow first. Only use a factory reset as a last resort because it erases data. Make sure to note the new password in a secure manager.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.